Hi, today we will learn how we can install YQArch plugin in AutoCAD 2025. Look, I have already installed YQArch plugin in AutoCAD 2025. Earlier, we learned how to install the YQArch plugin in AutoCAD 2023 and 2024. The way to install YQArch in AutoCAD 2024 is slightly different, whereas in AutoCAD 2025, the YQArch is installed in a different way. If you want to know how to download YQArch and install it in AutoCAD 2024, for this you can watch this video. I will put the link of this video in the description below, and you can also watch the video by clicking on the I button above. In this video, after installing the YQArch, we will learn to change its language, because when we install the YQArch, it is in Chinese language. So, we will learn in this video how to convert the Chinese language into English language so that it is easy for us to understand the YQArch plugin. Okay, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can keep getting such unique content. Okay, now I will first reset the AutoCAD. I uninstall the YQArch that I have already installed in AutoCAD. I uninstall it first. For this, I will go to the option menu of AutoCAD. I will use the OP command, and after going to the profile tab, I will click on reset. Then the YQArch will be uninstalled, which I have already installed in the AutoCAD. So I will reset it. After clicking on yes, click on OK. Now look here, we don't have to display the YQArch on the screen. Okay, now let's reinstall the YQArch. How we will reinstall it? For this, the first thing you have to do is to download the file of YQArch. After downloading the YQArch, you have to extract this folder and put it inside your C drive. Go to this PC. From here, you have to go to the C drive and you have to paste it here. Now open this folder. After opening it, open the system folder. After opening the system folder, here you will find the setup file below. You have to run it by right-clicking and run it as administrator. After clicking on it, this window will open. You will see something written in the Chinese language. Just click on OK. After doing OK, now you have to close it once. You have to just close the AutoCAD. After closing the AutoCAD, now we will check whether our YQArch has been installed or not. Again, we will open the AutoCAD. Click on the new page. Now look here. I am not getting the YQArch display. Here you will never get the display of YQArch. You have to turn on the show menu bar from the quick access toolbar so that you can get it display here, because YQArch that we install will be displayed here. So our YQArch is not installed yet. Now we will close it again. After closing it, we will go again in the system folder. We had run the setup file, but our YQArch didn't install. Now we will do it once again. Run as administrator. After this, on this window, we have to click on this option. Now just click on OK. And now we will check again whether our YQArch is installed or not. Just open the AutoCAD. Click on new. Okay, now you can see that the toolbar of YQArch are displaying here. So YQArch plugin has been installed in AutoCAD 2025. But here we are not getting display YQArch. So how you get the display of YQArch here? For this, you have to reload the menu of YQArch. To reload it, you can use the YQ menu command. In the command line, you have to type the YQ menu, and after that, you have to press enter key. As you press enter key, YQArch menu will start reloading. As the process is completed, the toolbars of YQArch will be displayed here, and YQArch will also be displayed here. If you are using YQArch for the first time, then here you may get its language in Chinese. How? Let me display you. First I change its language. I will change it to the Chinese language. Click OK. Now it is possible that when you install it for the first time, you will get this kind of language. So now how you can change its language? In AutoCAD 2024 or earlier version of AutoCAD, simply we used to click here. After clicking, we clicked on the first, and after that we clicked on the YQArch system. Then from here, we change its 0 value to 1. That converted our language into English, because here we have 1 value for English, whereas for the Chinese language, we have to use 0. But in this case, this value won't change the language of YQArch. As you can see, I have a value of 1 here and I saved it, but the language won't change. Okay, I close it. Look, till now its language is Chinese. So how we can convert it to the English language? For this, you have to click here. From here, you will go to YQ language. You can also type YQ language. You can type or go to this option, type YQLANG, or simply just click here. After going to this option, from here you can change it to English. And after that, you have to click OK. Then within a few seconds, your language will be converted into English. Now, if you want to use any YQArch tool, you can use it easily from here. But in this way, only the language of YQArch menu will be changed. The language of the toolbars of YQArch will remain the Chinese. So if you also want to change the language of the YQArch toolbars, then you can watch this video. In this video, I have already explained in detail that is how you can change the language of YQArch toolbar. Apart from this, if you don't want to use such an interface of YQArch that you have to turn it on from the quick access toolbar, show menu bar, and then you use it from here. So if you don't want to use YQArch from here, and if you want to use this type of interface for YQArch, so how you can make this kind of interface and how you can install it in AutoCAD, for that you may watch this video of mine. In this video, I have explained in detail for this type of interface. I will also give the link of these two videos in the description below, and these videos will be displayed to you at the end of this video. You can watch these videos by clicking any of them. If you found this video helpful and interesting, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that such unique content continues to reach you. And if you face any problem in downloading or installing YQArch plugin, then please let me know in the comment section below so that I can make a separate video to solve this problem. Or you can WhatsApp me. The number is displayed on your screen. I'll try my best to help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.